What's up, Spruce Nation? It's your girl Shell G, and today I will be doing a Valentine's Day haul, showing you how to spruce up your Valentine's Day as a single lady once and for all. So if you would like to know how I made my Valentine's Day this year super special, you may want to hold on to your tea. And if you haven't already, make sure that you comment and subscribe. In the spirit of Valentine's Day, go ahead and kiss the like button. Give your girl some Valentine's Day love, and let's go ahead and hop into it. And I have to keep looking here and not here, here and not here. Spoil yourself. Spoil yourself. Picked up a few pieces from Fashion Nova to spruce things up. They actually had a sale recently. It may still be going on actually. When you use VDay 40, you get 40% off on all of your purchases. So I took it upon myself just to treat myself to some Valentine's Day trinkets. I'm a fan of pajamas, so I love comfy pajamas, especially in this season of quarantine that we're all experiencing. I love to have a nice pajama, something that makes me feel special, something that makes me feel beautiful. And so I did go ahead and pick up a couple items from Fashion Nova. Around the holiday season, I like to pour extra love and attention into myself. And that's not just from a financial perspective, but just checking in with you, your mind, your body, and your spirit, and just making sure that you take time to hear yourself, see yourself, and treat yourself. And so I do a good job at treating myself. So for all you girls who love pajamas, we're here. And that's a good way to just feel a little special. Just treat yourself to something really cute, something that makes you feel nice, makes you feel special and beautiful. And so I picked up this Hello Gorgeous, and this is a sleek shirt, and it has the little kisses, the little red and pink kisses all throughout the shirt. Let me go ahead and let you see it up close. Very, very pretty. And affirmations, positive affirmations in there. So, hey, if you gotta wear them, but use them. They work. So here's one item that I picked up. Okay. And next I picked up this is another pajama. And this is a romper. And it says Queen on it. And it has like the red, yellow, green, and black lettering. But it has Queen on there. And it's a short. So there's the shorts. I'll show you the bottom. This is how the bottom hangs. And then this is how the top is. It's just like a V-neck. A V-neck romper. And it's got the button detailing here, so you can button this down. It's not fake buttons, you can actually button it down. So if you have to use the restroom. But these are super comfortable. Let me look at the material. I believe this is polyester. This is 95% polyester and 5% spandex as well. And I got this in a large because that's all that they had. And I know that even if it fits me a little big, I'll still love it. So I picked it up. Usually in those pajamas I'm like a medium, but it still works. Okay, so I also picked up this pajama set. This is also a onesie, and this is like a pink. It's really cute. It's like kind of like a tie-dye pink, yellow, and blue. And this is a long, so this has the full leg. and long sleeve arms. Very comfortable, and the material on all of these are the same. I got this one in a medium, and it fits really nicely. I'll throw a clip up so that you can see how they wear. Very, very cute. And I got another onesie, and this is a full body as well. And this is one that just has the little pink and red kisses on it. It'll kind of let you see how the top looks. See that? So that's how the top looks. It has those button detailing in the front, and it is an all-around onesie. This is also, the fabric is polyester and spandex as well. And I absolutely love onesies. They're just so comfortable, and they just make you feel soft and cute and cuddly and beautiful. I love them. The next thing I did get a few satin pieces as well. The first one I'll show you is this lilac satin robe. And you're not going to be able to see the full, but I'll show you kind of how it hangs. And then here's the belt detailing. It has like 2 holes to hold the belt on both sides. And I got this one in, okay, so it's actually called Lotus Robe. And I got this one in medium large. Okay. Next I picked up and this is like a champagne rose pink. And this is also a satin sleepwear shirt. And I picked this up in a medium as well. I love it. Like, you can just lounge around and look cute, feel beautiful, and comfortable all at the same time. Okay? Next I picked up another pink sleepwear set. Here's the little sleep dress that it comes with. This is satin. And the back actually has a nice, cute little like lace detailing. Try to show you how that looks. See how it ties? Very cute. And it comes with, it's actually a 3-piece. So it also comes with the underwear, and these are like thong style undies. And then it comes with a robe as well. And here's the satin robe that it comes with. Very cute. Very, very cute. So, how are you spoiling yourselves this holiday season? What do you like to pick up? What is your favorite thing to do for yourself during Valentine's Day? I want you to drop it in the comments. Let me know, what is your favorite thing to do for yourself? Yes. Okay, and so next we have, this is a romper that I picked up, and it's black. It may look blue because of the lighting, but it's actually black, and it has the white satin lining. See, here's the arm. You can kind of see that lining there. And here's how the top is. You can see that fold. And let me show you how the bottom hangs. So here's the bottom. This is the actual shorts. See that? I got this in a medium. Very cute. It actually has a belt that comes with this as well. I also picked up a dress from Fashion Nova, and this is in pink in the spirit of Valentine's Day. So here is the dress. Here's the top part of it. You can see the neck, and as you can see, the sleeves are kind of like balloon sleeves, and then it has a nice like culture sleeve at the bottom for your wrist, long wrist, and it's rippled material. Let me see if I can catch what it's. Oh, it doesn't have the description information here. Let's see if I can pull it from the bottom. It's kind of a tight material, so let's see here. Here we go. So this is 70% rayon and 30% nylon. And you can tell because it's not much give. If you look, it's not much give here. Even in the waist, it's kind of constricted. Even though it does have a stretch because of the rayon, you know, you kind of have to really stretch to get into this one. But it's very cute. Okay. And lastly, I just picked up a little loungewear set just to have around the house. And this is going to be in the color beige. And this is like a little crop top. This is the front. And here's the back. So just a little crop top. And then it came with these shorts, which I really like the way that they look because they're gonna probably be really cute on, just with the ruffle detailing. It usually fares really nicely for curvy chicks. So, or for curvy ladies, should I say. So this is the shorts that it comes with, and as you can see, the stretch is there. And the material for this one is 90% polyester, and we have 10% spandex. And as you can see, there's a lot of stretch and a lot of give, so this should be super comfortable to wear. I also picked up some jewelry for myself. As you can see, I have on this necklace, and it just has my name, and it has 2 hearts at the bottom. And so those are just some of the items that I picked up from Fashion Nova during their Valentine's Day sale. I would like to know what things you picked up for yourself this holiday season, how you're spending it. Are you going anywhere special? I know we're in the COVID era.
Hey ladies, so I know we're towards the end of the video. I've got a little special treat for you. So if you are one who is single and looking for some ideas and advice on how to be happy as a single person during the Valentine's Day season, I want you to hang on until the end of the video. I've got some Spruccid keys that's really going to help you. So stay tuned. Okay ladies, so now that you've had an opportunity to see how I've treated myself this Valentine's Day season, I want to hear what you're going to do for this season to treat yourself. And I have some suggestions just in case you don't know or you don't have an idea of what to do. So starting with number 1, do not compare your situation with anyone else. You are in your specific situation for a reason and a purpose. God's allowing you to be single, and you should be grateful and happy in that space. So be happy with yourself, love on yourself, be kind to yourself, and treat yourself the way that you would want to be treated. Whether that be buying yourself a new bag, buying yourself that beautiful perfume, buying yourself a bouquet of flowers, writing yourself a love letter, whatever that means to you. Make sure that you're treating yourself kind, showing yourself love. Write a love letter to yourself and remind yourself of just how dope you really are. You are valuable, and the gifts that God's imparted into your life makes you completely exclusive to you. Suggestion number 2. If you're into like spa treatments, maybe run yourself a nice bubble bath, lower the lights or turn them off, light some candles. You know, you can get some candles for 99 cents, so it doesn't have to be expensive. You know, listen to some music on your cell phone, maybe some jazz or some like soft music, and just relax. This has been such a tumultuous season with COVID ramping. You can't go nowhere, and you don't know how all that plays into your like mental, you know what I mean? So make sure that you're taking some time out to just breathe and focus on the things that you want, your purpose, the things that you're striving for, and the things that make you you. Those are the things that you should be focusing on, and being completely grateful for where you are in this season. Suggestion number 3. Make sure that you are pouring into your spirit. So whatever it is that you need to do, whether you read the Bible, whether you read self-help books, whether you like motivation speeches, whatever it is that helps you to empower you to be the better version of yourself, make sure that you're doing that. Suggestion number 4. Tap into who you are. Make sure that you're always listening to you. Make sure that you're always paying attention to how you feel, how you think, and more importantly, who you are, where you are in your life right now. You know, there's so much going on with COVID. Everyone's stuck in the house, and sometimes you don't have an outlet. So make sure that you're always tapping in, making sure that you're okay, tapping into your feelings, your emotions, and making sure that you always apply positive affirmations. You're going to be great. This is your year to thrive, level up, grow, and whatever it is that you're seeking to do, make sure that you're always pressing forward to that goal. Okay? And so that concludes my haul for the day. I hope you got something out of it. Matter of fact, put it in the comments and let me know what you received from this video. I can't wait to see the things that you guys are looking to do, some of the ideas that you guys may be looking to do for yourselves. I want to know, okay? Because we can't travel, we can't really do too much. So let me know. Maybe give me some ideas on other things that I can do, you know, enhance my Valentine's Day as well. In the spirit of Valentine's Day, I love you guys, and I want you to continue to pour into your own spirit. Read a book that empowers you to level up and become the best version of yourself, because you matter. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure that you don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you're doing for yourself this holiday season. What is your favorite gift to yourself? And what is one thing that you value when it comes to Valentine's Day? Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.